Check it and cool on. Read on some.
The Pagez dibi-dibi-dabi-do. Aye, dibi-dibi-dabi-do.
Hello everyone, welcome to my life in Lagos, you know, because I'm a Lagos chick now, Lagos babe. Since the last time you guys saw me, there's now 3 of me. So this is Chizi number 2.
Excuse me. Rewind.
And this is Chizi 2.1.
Hola. 2.1, why do I have to be a decimal? Excuse me, can I give you a whole number? Like, excuse me.
No, but we're all like matching.
Not on purpose.
Not on purpose. Not on purpose.
Actually, more funnier.
Yeah. But okay, you guys know Kiton. Yeah.
Yo, they said we look alike yesterday.
Everyone, no,
Are
yeah.
you serious?
Yeah. Yes,
Do
everyone
we?
keeps
And I was
asking
like,
if we're sisters. Are we sisters?
Are we?
Oh, this is gonna be a thumbnail. But they never formally met you, Kende, so.
Hi guys, my name is Kende. Oh my gosh, I look crazy, but who cares? I don't know what to say. Okay, hey guys, that's Kende Smith. Oh no, be showing her and I'll be
Okay.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Introduce myself for myself. That's Kende Smith, hair and beauty influencer. Lifestyle as well.
And lifestyle.
And hair, beauty, and lifestyle influencer. Yeah. She lives in Lagos here and also in Chicago. She's, you know, international babe, you know.
Owns her own salon.
She owns a salon that we're heading to right now.
Yep.
Which is lit.
So yeah, that's Kende. Follow her. But yeah, so we are heading off to her salon right now. Kiton has to do her nails really quickly.
I would show you, but that's really embarrassing.
Yeah.
Show it to them. Show it to them. First of all, it's brown. It's supposed to be white. It's literally brown. Second of all, look at these chips. Why am I showing? What? Wait. Eggs. What? Why did I actually show you? Please.
Anyway, so yeah, she needs to get her nails done, and then we are gonna be heading off. We're gonna be going to a few events today, and then who knows what the night will bring us. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about. You know
Last
what?
night?
We're not even gonna do that.
I think we'll have a story time about last night because there has to be. Chizi, we have to do a story time about last night.
So yeah, so that's what we have lined up today, and I'll be checking in every once in a while to, you know, let you know how life is going here in Lagos.
Here and there.
You know, catch you on the other side. Why did you get your nails done before you traveled?
I mean, at this point, I'm realizing the issue, but at the time I thought, oh, okay, it's way cheaper in Lagos. And here I am.
Is it cheaper? Just made it to the Every Stylish Girl event. We are very late, but we're here. This place is pretty cute. Yeah. Kiton and Dara finally meeting, yes. Hey guys, okay, so we just wrapped up the event and it was great. Met a lot of people, and we're actually going into a taxi fight with new people we met. Kiton's back there talking to people. Hey girl. Oh.
What? Hold on, sorry. Sorry. Oh, one more person.
Wait, Kiton's coming.
Sorry. What side of our world?
We're coming. We're coming.
You left me. I was like, sir, hold on, sir. Hey, my God. Do you see how disposable I am? Because my hair is just looking crazy. They just left me there.
Person that dropped me.
I literally was like, did I just see what just happened? I couldn't believe. It was unbelievable. And then you know you have a hot spot. So I'll just be sitting there looking. You know what?
Oh my gosh. You know, he started going. I was like, oh. What's going on? And I want to close the door too. Like,
I saw the door closed. So I said, I saw your hand vlogging. And also I saw your hand close the door. I said, wow. Chizi, we came together.
Gosh. But now we're off to another event.
Yes.
Where are we going?
Kai Collective pop-up shop. It's Bisaya Longe's clothing brand, and it's amazing. We're gonna see it.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, that's where we're off next to, because it's late in Lagos. It says that Lagos is like you can make so many friends here Whereas I feel like, at least for me in New York, it's trying to get right there. Like it's not happening.
No, I just feel like I don't do much out there, which
Yeah.
it's my fault as well. But I feel like when I'm out here, it's like there's this, and you just go.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I don't think there's as much for me to do out there. Maybe because I'm not as plugged in. I don't know.
So is New York as friendly as the
No.
city?
She just
New York is not a friendly
That was
place.
an easy no. She was like, nah.
No. It's either people know you or they don't.
But that's like Lagos though.
That's what I was trying to.
Is that because we didn't know anybody? We're in a taxi with you right now.
Yeah, I feel like everyone here is quite friendly.
Yeah, I guess it's different people. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess different social scenes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like people
okay.
with
It's
more
like
money, they're not just gonna talk to anyone.
It's true.
Or show
But
up
isn't
to
that
you.
like a protecting
matters
yourself
by
as well
your
thing though?
Yeah,
No? Or
I guess it's
do you think it's
personality
snobbish
though.
or
It's
protecting
snobbish. I think it's snobbish.
I don't even think it's snobbish. I just feel like as Nigerians we're taught to like guard ourselves from everybody.
Yeah.
So then when you get older, like it becomes a lot worse because then especially girls, we just don't want to be friends with each other because we think we're all fighting over something. And it's more prevalent in Nigerian culture than anywhere else.
Is it?
Because
I think Lagos is great.
I love Lagos.
No, Lagos
I
is
was just
great.
talking
So
to
my experience of Nigerians in general, like or Lagos, is just everyone is just so lovely. And it's so
wait.
She's in the honeymoon phase.
She's in the December. She's in the December.
Yeah, because Nigeria is
No,
a
but
rough
everyone is
place.
so ready to help you. I feel.
Again, she continues. Wait. Ready to help what?
bruh.
Wow.
I've witnessed.
Wait
the
till
goodness of
January,
people.
end of January.
But
And-
I've actually witnessed the goodness of people.
I mean, they're good
And
people everywhere.
they're just so
No,
like
they
chill
are
and
good.
I don't know, just easy lifestyle. I don't know.
Also, money helps in Lagos.
It does.
Money helps a whole lot.
Money helps in Lagos a lot.
It does.
Maybe that's a little asterisk there.
Yeah.
It's like, but only if you have money.
If you have money, because there are a lot of people here suffering.
Suffering. It's really
so,
sad. So
yeah.
but it's
Yeah, the divide is actually crazy. There's no, but then at least actually we were saying there's no in between.
There's
there is no middle
none.
class.
There isn't.
There's none.
No,
And
it's
they
either
really-
you're rich or you're not.
I
Yep.
find it really
and
interesting.
it's really sad though because it's like the poorest of the poor.
They're poor.
And it's like you don't even think to be like, oh, I want
so
to
it's still
become
further
this
down.
because it's like your family was drivers and
yeah,
house girls.
yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
And it's a generational, especially the house girl like situation.
yeah,
it's
it's
such a
just keep
generational
doing
thing.
it.
Yeah.
It perpetuates itself.
Yeah.
So true. Lord.
I know.
Still Nigeria.
But I'm really good.
Good
But I love Lagos though. Hey.
And I feel like my motive, what I'm going to do to like even convince myself more is actually serve. So I'm
You're serving.
That'll really show you Nigeria
Yeah.
and the
Yes.
people.
Well, where will you
You,
be posted?
Huh?
Make sure you get posted
Make sure
in
you get
Lagos.
posted in Lagos.
Where else should I be posted?
Where else?
Listen, I heard it's no longer easy to just be posted in Lagos.
It's
like
not.
That. It's not that easy.
It's
Before
not.
it used to be like, oh,
Even if you
You guys are underestimating the power of fasting and prayer. That's what I'm going to say.
so
I thought she was gonna say money.
No, honestly.
please, the people that are fasting and praying as well, they
Uh-huh.
go to Kano
right?
and go to so they're, oh God, what happened to you?
We'll fast and pray for you too. That you stay in Lagos. Look who I just ran into though. If you don't follow her, make sure you follow. Hey guys, okay, so I'm here with Kitan. Dima actually, Dima, she dropped us off, and yeah, so now we're just eating, and then we're gonna go home and get ready for the night, for the turn up. But I'm not gonna vlog that because, oh, actually, I'm not even gonna bring my camera tonight.
Is that making you excited?
Yeah,
I'm excited.
I'm not even gonna bring my camera tonight because I'm just gonna enjoy my
moment.
It's interesting though, like just being here, like the culture, the energy, it really makes me contemplate thinking, makes me contemplate moving back here.
Excuse me. Same.
Right, like it's just, I don't know, I feel like you can get things done at a faster rate, kind of.
My main, I don't know about faster rate. I just feel like you're based in both places. So if you want to come here, have the energy, but still be working on your stuff in the States, it makes sense.
Maybe we have an edge because we are in the States, and then we can kind of bring what we have going on here. And then certain things that we can't necessarily do in the States, like you become a TV host, like you can literally get on a network right away, kind of. And it's just easier to meet people. And it's like easier to meet people here, kind of.
You've met so many people in the past 24 hours.
I
don't even know how my phone is even walking right now.
Literally my phone's almost empty. So it just really makes me think about it, and I'm really glad that I decided to up and quit my job and come out here.
I saw people were like,
did you know that?
I saw the comments. People were so rude. Some people were like, you seem like you have no direction. I couldn't believe it. I was like, thumbs down. Like, what?
No, it's about listening to yourself and realizing when something's not working for you.
And how do you know my life based on one thing that I've done? Like, no, you know what I mean? No, but honestly, Chizi, if you do it, bruh, first of all, I'm seriously considering it. Like, seriously.
I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? Should I move to Lagos?
Yes. Number one supporter here, I say yes.
If I move, then you have to move.
I say back and forth though. I don't think you should like move and be like stuck. But I think the back and forthness, if like every few months you come back to the States and do stuff and you know, work the companies that you want to work with.
Honestly, I could really see myself doing that. I could really see
But where would you stay though? Because
I know exactly where I'm staying.
Where?
In VI.
Oh, you should stay in your own place though, not.
Oh, I'm staying in my own place.
Okay, I thought you were about to stay with oh wait, this is my place.
Yeah, I would definitely get my own place and then Airbnb it while I'm not there.
I think I would definitely stay in VI because first of all, Candy, like it just makes sense.
Yeah.
VI is so central. It's not
central.
Okay, VI is so convenient for the things that I want to do.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah. VI is
it's not central.
It's dead not central. But
it's central for my life.
Yeah, so anyway, things I'm just thinking about. But yeah, ultimately glad I came out here, like really glad. But tomorrow I'm gonna be staying with my aunt, and then I'm heading out to Owerri on Tuesday, so that should be really fun.
Real quick, I have a question. Is it Owerri or Owerri? I thought it was I at the end.
There's an I at the end, but people say Owerri. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what you gotta do, okay, honey? What do you have to do? Just tell me, because at this point you should know. Okay, you don't know. So I'm just gonna need you guys to subscribe. If you enjoy these vlogs, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Tell them give it a thumbs up.
Why are you always catching me eating?
Give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the notification bell so you're always notified when a new vlog comes out, and I will more likely than not see you in Owerri. Bye guys.
Madame, check it en cola. Read on.